we are done. Okay, we are doing the last review on HTML, then we are done, and that is going to be on links. So we are going to do links, then we are going to do images, and then we are going to do, let me say what again, um, let me say maybe paragraph. Okay, paragraph, the p tag. All right, so when we go to the index as well, still we just go straight away from here. We break our page, or we break our this. Remember, you can also use hr to introduce a line to your work. So if I use hr here and save, I'm going to get a line that will be under my work like this. So this is the use of hr tag. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and say I'm starting a new thing, and as I said, we are looking at the image and then links. So we can just introduce a link by using the a tag, when I just type a like this and press enter, my a tag is, established. The only thing I need to do is to say maybe in between the opening and the closing tag, which you know already, I'll just say maybe click me, for instance, click me. Okay, and then if I say click me, when the person clicks on me, what will happen? I can just lead the person to another site or any other HTML page within your work. So here I'm just going to say https forward slash www.danicom.org. What I'm trying to say is, if somebody clicks on click me, the page should lead the person to what's the name, Danicom. So when I just click on this, let's wait and see. It's going to load a site which has that URL, I mean, that I have entered into my work. Okay, into my work. And so at the end of the day, if you want to be able to get conversant with links, what you are supposed to do is just use the a tag. You just use the a tag. Okay, now the link that I clicked is taking me to the internet to open up a page or a website, and let's wait to see. Almost in. It said this site can't be reached. It means that it's either network or the URL is not correct. The URL means the address. Okay, so you go back and confirm whether the address is correct. www.danicom.org. So if the URL is not correct, you can change it to anything and then it will work. Let's say www.google.com and save this one and see. Okay, the link is actually working, but then the site is heavy. The site is heavy. That's why it's taking long time. You can see the favicon icon here. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Okay, so we go back. When you refresh and click again, it's supposed to take you to Google. See, Google has opened very fast because the Google interface has limited information than the other one. Okay, so that is how to use links. Now from links, if you want to do images, you just have to type your img and then press your enter key. You have the source or the code for you. So what we are going to do next is to make sure the source is where your image is sitting, the folder that your work is in, and I've taught you that. So let's move on to let's say paragraph. Paragraph basically, so I can just introduce another HR here, which is a line break, and then go on with my paragraphs. So I'll just put a P and then just say paragraph. Anything I enter here is seen as what, one paragraph. So I can just say Lorem Issam. Lorem Issam is an inbuilt code or test that you can use to test your work. As a programmer, if you don't want to type plenty codes. So when I just save this, you can see that it will just show up in my browser like this. You can see as a paragraph. So if you are coding, let's say a page or a site, and you want to have a paragraph, you use the p tag to do that. Do you understand? If you have questions, you can chat me in the chat box, or in the WhatsApp group. because we have to be more active. I'm going to, kind of burden you with videos and chats in our WhatsApp group and one-on-one. I want to make sure by close of the year you will be able to do something, for yourself. At least you should be able to create a simple application where you will enter username, password, details of everything, and it will save into a database. And the goal is, achieved. The next thing is you adding your own creativity to generate something more powerful. Do you understand? So we will be able to, I mean, enter details into our table, for instance, like this. Let's say Daniel, and then put in, let's say, password, and then you will be able to say login, and it will work for you, or it will get the result that you are looking out for. The rest is how we put our creativity or skills into coming up with a complex system. The basics are very, very important. If you get the basics, the rest is up to you. So now at this point, we will end the review on HTML. In the next video I will upload or share with you, we are going to look at how to link your CSS from the other page, the CSS file, to your HTML, and how to work from the HTML inside of the external CSS. Thank you.